Hey guys, what's up? It's Nathan here from Worship Calling in the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition. Feels kind of like a Tone Master Tuesday, so I'm playing with my presets, right? We got all these new EQs from the last firmware update, and so I immediately wanted to update my acoustic preset that I created for my Taylor Gold label, Acoustic Gold. I wanted to update it with those new EQs, specifically the parametric EQ, and I'm also using a couple of notch filters to get rid of some frequencies or tamp them down a little bit. But I didn't want this video to be like a long form vlog and it be, hours of you watching me turn knobs and adjust things. But I did want to share a tool that I use that has helped me kind of adjust my tone. And so let's jump over. So I've got Pro Control up, and then I've also got Spectralissime, which I'll have a link in the description to this application. And basically what this is it's just an RTA, a real-time analyzer of the sound that's coming off the Tone Master. So the nice thing is it's just a standalone app. It's not a VST that you got to load into some DAW to be able to access. You can just run the application. It supports ASIO drivers, so it will see the Tone Master Pro. You can select it, and that's what it's analyzing, right? And so what I use that for is I can, obviously it's picking up my mic and my guitar. I'll mute my mic channel, just have my guitar. And what I'll do is I'll actually turn everything off. I'll turn off the amp. In this case, it's the Acoustasonic. I'll turn off all my effects. I'll turn everything off. The only thing I left on was the preamp that I'm using. And then obviously the parametric EQs, that's what I added. That's what I started with, right? It was just the parametric EQ, and then I added a couple notches right now. And the IR. That's the only things I had turned on. And then I'll analyze the signal and kind of just look at the meters and see if anything's just jumping out crazy. And the first thing I'll do is I'll use my parametric EQ to kind of try to even those out. Because my goal, and this is just me, tone is relative. You can do whatever you want. But for me, what I try to do is I try to have the signal that's going into my amp, which in this acoustic setting is the Acoustasonic. I try to have that EQ like almost even, right? Mids, lows, highs, everything's just kind of this even, kind of right down the middle tone. That's what I'm going to send to the amp. And why I like that, why I take that approach, is because if I can get everything kind of down the center to the amp, then whenever I go to, a venue or wherever I'm playing, I can adjust the amp to the room and not have to try to do any kind of deep analysis with the parametric EQ or notch filters. I just go to the amp, because I know what I'm sending to that amp is kind of right down the middle. It's kind of even. And then I can adjust with the built-in, mid, bass, treble of the amp to tweak to the room. It's a little more forgiving. And that's how I do it. I've liked the results. This is what I've been doing for many years. And anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this RTA that you can run. You'll be able to see real quick if there's some, a few frequencies that are just way out there. And if you want to add a notch filter to pull those down, the nice thing is you can just mouse over any frequency, and it will show you right there on the screen what frequency you're mousing on. So if you see something just shooting way up there that can't be good, let me pull that thing down. You've kind of got a starting point to get to. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm on version 1.3 of, that's what you're hearing is 1.3. of my acoustic gold preset. Once I get it finished, I get to test it in the room live, do a few adjustments. I will update the cloud with the latest version, and I'll probably do a follow-up video just letting everybody know, kind of walk through what I did to this preset to adjust it. And that way you can use it as a baseline for your acoustic tones. So keep an eye out, subscribe so that you get notification when I do update this preset and update it to the cloud, upload it, and you can use it. And anyway, download the RTA. It's a great tool to be able to just kind of see what frequencies are sneaking through, right? Like stuff that's even outside of the human ear. You're going to be able to see that on the RTA, kind of clamp some of those down and clean up your tone a little bit. So anyway, hope you guys like that. As always, make every strum count. I'll see you guys next time.